you somebody who's very good at making friends, or can you be a little shy and reserved? Help people to understand who you are and how you operate when it comes to friends.
Yeah, I'm definitely introverted, so I wasn't super nervous about making friends. Like, I don't think that was something that I was scared about necessarily, but I think it definitely took me a little bit longer to make friends than it might have taken people who were very extroverted and like very good at just immediately clicking with people. And so I started going to church with Ashley and Kelsey, and a couple of other people from our hall actually, and then like was able to start hanging out with them. And so that was what really helped me. So, I would say like if you're someone who's more introverted or I guess is like more nervous about making friends, even going to extracurriculars and like getting involved on campus will help you make friends, and they might even live across the hall from you.
How did you know they were going to church?
So I had found this student ministry, Clemson Wesley, online just because I was doing some research before I got to Clemson, and I went to the first couple events with one of my friends from home, and it just so happened that for some reason a lot of people from our hall and our dorm just ended up coming, which my friend from home didn't live on our hall, but I ended up connecting with just a lot of people who lived near me, and that was really helpful because I wouldn't have to like go across campus to see someone I knew. And so that was just kind of a lucky coincidence that worked out really well.